I'm Guy Murray, and this is my 27th year as the University of Detroit Mercy Director of Track and Field and Cross Country. I'm joined by 2019 Horizon League silver medalists Bryn Gustafson and Eric Leduc to kick off our Clash of the Titans effort.
Coach, have we won Clash of the Titans yet?
No, not yet. We've been on the podium, but not quite the top spot yet.
Eric and I have been working hard on our hammer turns to get the hammer gold back to Detroit. Any of your classic cliches to get Clash the Titan gold?
Well, we know we need a little less discretion and a little more valor in our donations.
Will it take a total team effort?
Yes, and we have a long line of high-level performers, and it'll take many varsity contributions to go with our All-League and All-American contributors to help us win.
We want Clash the Titans to spark the donations, just like when Eric's hammer sparks when it hits the ring.
Bryn, when we throw the hammer, we do 2 to 3 or even 4 circles in the ring. Make sure your donation is 2 to 3 or even 4 zeros after your favorite number within the correct box.
Online donations are open 24 hours a day, so plenty of opportunity for you to help us win and support the team.
Let's go Titans!